Consonant C. The letter C stands for the k sound you hear at the beginning of camel. Two other words that begin with the letter C are can and cat. This is an uppercase C. This is a lowercase c. This is how to write the uppercase letter C. Circle back and around, then stop. This is how to write the lowercase letter C. Circle back and around, then stop. It's your turn.